browser and type www.canva.com. Click Create Design, then Custom Size. Put 20 by 30 inches. Type the word BOHO aesthetic. Pick a template. Then remove the lines and words. Rearrange the position of the graphics. Then change its color. Add another graphic like a beautiful woman. This is an image, so we cannot change its color. Instead, we can lighten its color. So let us make some adjustments. I am satisfied with this. Let us make the second BOHO art. I'll just pick templates similar to the first. Change the color so that it can match with the first one. You can use the dropper icon to clone color. Next is to pick a man to match the woman. Again, this is a photo, so we must adjust its color. I decided to lighten the color of the background. I think it's better if I flip it. Yeah, it is nice. Add another page. We will just repeat the process, but this time we will put kids. girl and a baby, but there's no boy. Luckily, these kids are not a photo, so we can change its color. Let us change it and match the color of their parent clothes. Okay, I'm finished and save it. Here's the finished product. Thanks for watching, my angels. Also like, subscribe and turn on the notif bell.